In this video, I'll show you how to download Cinema HD on Firestick TV without VPN. If you're looking for a simple and free way to watch movies and TV shows on your Firestick, you're in the right place. First, start by opening the Amazon App Store on your Firestick and searching for the Downloader app. Once it appears in the search results, click to install it. After the installation is complete, go to Settings, then My Fire TV, and then About. Here, click your Firestick's name multiple times until you see a message confirming that you are now a developer. This will unlock the developer options in your menu, which are required to install apps that aren't available in the Amazon App Store. After enabling developer options, go back, open developer options, turn on ADB debugging, and enable install unknown apps for downloader. This step is important because it allows your Firestick to accept installations from sources outside of the Amazon App Store. Once this is done, hold down the Home button, go to Apps, and open the Downloader app. Launch Downloader and type in the code 59745. Then press Go. The app will start downloading Cinema HD directly to your Firestick. When the download finishes, click Install, and after the installation is complete, choose Done instead of Open. This allows you to delete the installation file and save valuable storage space on your Firestick. Next, go back to your app list, move Cinema HD to the front so it's easy to access, and now you can start streaming a large library of movies and shows completely free. While this method works, it does have some limitations. Certain movies and shows may be restricted in your country due to geo-blocking. Some streams may buffer more than usual, and your connection is not encrypted. This means your activity isn't fully private and could be exposed while streaming. This is why using a VPN like NordVPN is a much safer and more reliable option. NordVPN not only encrypts your connection and hides your real IP address, but it also unlocks geo-restricted content and improves streaming reliability. With NordVPN active, you can enjoy faster and smoother streams, reduce buffering, and watch content from different regions that wouldn't otherwise be accessible. You can use the link in the description to get started with NordVPN at a great price. To set up NordVPN on your Firestick, remember that the first-generation Firestick does not support VPN apps, so this method is for second-generation Firesticks or newer. From the Fire TV home screen, go to the Find section and select Search. Type in NordVPN and choose the app from the Apps and Games section. Click Download and wait for the installation to complete. Once it's installed, open the app. On the main screen, you will see options to sign up or log in. If you already have a NordVPN account, tap Login. A QR code will appear on your screen. Scan it with your smartphone to open the Nord account page. Enter your login credentials, and a number will appear that you need to input on your Firestick. This ensures that your account is securely connected to the device. Once logged in, you can simply click Connect Now to automatically join the fastest server available. If you prefer, you can select a specific country to access content from that region. NordVPN also provides specialty servers designed for streaming, P2P file sharing, and enhanced privacy. In the Settings menu, you can enable CyberSec to block ads and malware. Choose the NordLynx protocol for optimal speed. Allow local network discovery. Configure custom DNS. Or use split tunneling to let certain apps bypass the VPN while keeping others protected. This makes your streaming setup flexible, private, and fully secure. After connecting NordVPN, return to Downloader and install Cinema HD. With NordVPN running, your Firestick connection is fully encrypted, your real IP is hidden, and geo-restrictions are bypassed. Streaming is smoother, buffering is reduced, and you can enjoy content from around the world safely. NordVPN ensures that your online activity stays private, your data is protected, and your Firestick delivers the best performance possible for all streaming apps, including third-party apps like Cinema HD. And don't forget to check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.